Hi folks, James here. Quick 2-minute tech update while I've got a chance here early in the morning on Easter Monday. Dollar's dropping down, as you can see from the top left-hand side here. That's good. All of the things are sort of moving in the direction that we want. I'm just going to give you a literal 3-minute update. NASDAQ, as you can see, moving up. I'm not even going to expand the charts. I'd encourage you to check out yesterday's live stream video. I've explained all of this in there and my feelings about all of these. I'm long on the NASDAQ, long on the S&P. S&P is actually making some progress this morning into the blob and above the trend line and the 20-period moving average, so that's good, and the rest will follow. So we're long on those, and that's good. Bitcoin's doing really well. In fact, I'm considering adding more longs to Bitcoin as we really hold. Yesterday's sort of weekend candle was pretty good. We don't have a CME gap, so there's nothing to test below us. And it looks like we've made some progress. We're now above the 20 and the 50-period moving averages here on the day chart, and it looks like we may aim for the blob, and we've got this long-term trend line, 100-period moving average and the channel top, and that would take us to 77,000. I'm thinking of adding some more on today if we can hold these levels. I'll be looking at the 4-hour chart to determine that. Same with Ethereum, and we're also long on XRP and Solana and a few of the other names. Now, gold and silver, I'm still looking at getting longer on gold. It looks like we're trying to hold the 100-day moving average here, and that's pretty important. Look how we broke up through it, held it for 2 days, and we're still above it right now. Now, we got long at the bottom, took profit at that 20-period moving average. I've still got some longs on, but we took profit from that lower position. I'm looking to add some of those back on. Maybe we'll have to do it at the same price that we got out. Silver, I'm still hedged. And like gold, I think there's a chance of this moving further down into that blob. I'm not going to expand this right now, but check out yesterday's video. It's all detailed in there. It's an hour long, yesterday's video, so live stream, check it out. And if silver does drop down like that, give us an exit for our shorts so we can get longer. Gold might do a similar pattern like that, and we'll add some more on down there. I'm still long on copper, similar sort of pattern to gold and silver, holding the levels and doing quite well. Now on energies, I got hedged. I put this up on X this morning quite early, and when we broke up through there, I had to hedge. Now, you might say, well, you hedged right at the top, and you're probably right. It looks like we did. So we have short positions from lower down, and we're hedged higher up. My average short position is just under $100, and we hedged at about 106, so not great. But I've already unhedged 20%, took the loss on that as we moved down. I'm now directionally biased short. This is undoubtedly going to move down over time, but whether we can break down right now with thin markets today and Trump's deadline coming up tomorrow, probably unlikely. So I'm going to remain 80% hedged. So in other words, I'm 20% short now, 80% long, and we'll see how it goes. I'll obviously adjust that as we go along, and as we start moving down, it will move down in time, of course. As we start moving down, I'll take some of the long side hedges off for a loss, but add some shorts on at the same time and look to ride this down. Target's down at about $55, and potentially lower. I've explained all of that in yesterday's video. Natural gas, I'm still long. We had a bit of a scare this morning. It actually bounced out. It actually broke the low. This is actually down. We got actually below that low on the left-hand side there, the head of that previous head and shoulders pattern, and we bounced out after breaking that low. So perhaps there was enough damage done by that little fake break down below the major double bottom support. So we got a double bottom with maybe a tiny little fake out, which was all that was required to get rid of some of the very long hands. So we'll see how we go. I'm remaining long. I'm looking to add more if we can. And that's it today, folks, on energies. I'm still long on URA and lithium too. And the 10-year yield, mercifully, has now moved below the black line. This black line is kind of my line in the sand, or the determining level. And as long as we hold below there, that's at 4.39. That's good news. When we go above there, it's not good news. And you can see what happens when it does. The markets drop off, Bitcoin drops off, everything goes a bit sort of droopy. So that's that 10-year yield. Folks, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe as usual, and watch out for tomorrow's update. Take care. I'll see you soon.
5 in the morning, charts on the wall. Brew that candle, climb too tall. Broker says Joe must say luck. Long that gas, you're in the muck. Laptop glow, back you still warm. Thought I'd ride that winter storm. Clicked that buy, felt like a king. Didn't hear the widow sing. Widow make a high go high. Turn my profit into chai. Up, down, yo, I can't lie. She make a grown man cry. Widow make a when a sly. One wrong move, account goodbye. Skirt, skirt, there go my ties. Left me with pat and sky. Hey, hey. What's up, group is shouting.